Kung katahimikan ng bahay ang kailangan mo, dapat meron ka nito. Sapagkat sa mata ng mga rakyat bahay gang, ito po ang kinatatakutan nila. Electric fence, also called security perimeter fencing. Ito ay possible dahil sa energizer at sa pamamagitan nito nagkakaroon ng fear factor, insecurity na nagkikreate ng powerful mental barrier. It also acts as the first and most strong layer of a comprehensive security plan without compromising the aesthetic design ng iyong magandang bahay, at dahil dito hindi ka na magiging easy target ng mga criminals. Ang electric fence ay nagdi-deliver ng immediate and unpleasant consequences for touching it. It is designed to be painful, memorable jolt, a shock that can incapacitate a person. Electric fence is an exceptionally effective security solution, a proactive deterrent from a property's perimeter. This electric fence provides immediate detection for any intrusion attempt and has the ability to stop a crime before it happens. Kaya naman kung meron ka nito, walang sino mang masamang tao ang magpapatuloy sa kanilang iniisip. At dahil nga dito ay magdadalawang isip sila. Maraming salamat po.